This is Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 5. For episode 5, gone back to basics, where it all started, and that is Hot Pockets. That's where everything started as far as cooking with SnowBikes. I'm doing that for many years, but today I just had a craving for Hot Pockets. Maybe it was the little bit of a party last night or the ride yesterday, I don't know, but nothing special, just Hot Pockets.
Hot Pockets are pretty special.
Hot Pockets are pretty special, yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Hello. I just heat it up to eat it up. Hungry kids in the crib, ma. Pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard. When the cravings got a hold of you, pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard. And your munchies get an attitude, pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard, pocket like it's hard. I got the pockets in my arms, setting off smoke alarms, and I eat them smoking hot, cause I got it going on.
Alan, what do you got cooking up?
We're rocking some Hot Pockets as well, to tell you the truth.
Nice.
Yeah, doubled up.
What do you got? You're just fueling up.
Yeah, I'm just eating gas.
Eating some
Here
gas.
she is right here. It's been cooking for, again, about an hour. An hour seems to be the magic. We've got no crispy, but she's hot. Look at the steam. Look at that. It's gonna be delicious. You never have a bad Hot Pocket. Oh, good.
Get the steam. Hold her off. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Cooking with SnowBikes. Gotta love it. Hydro lines. Adam's down there. He ran out of gas.
It's a good
Middle
spot to fuel up.
Yeah.
Really.
Silver stuff. Don't eat the silver stuff.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow.
That's
I
excellent.
almost want to steal your Hot Pocket.
Hey,
What do you
back
got
off,
there?
get
Look
your
at
own
that.
sandwich.
Look at
Here we are, cooking trailside. Got some nice barbecue chicken wraps here.
Ooh, barbecue chicken.
Nice and charred on the packaging. Let's see what they look like inside.
Oh, they're hot.
It's hot. That's looking good. Not punctured, not charred.
Take a bite.
Good. Hot.
Cooking with SnowBikes. Episode 5. You're gonna follow me. You're gonna regret that.